golden crispy meat pastries. Just look at that filling. Dipped in fresh salsa? Absolutely yes. Just dice up one red onion like I'm doing here. This gives you nice, even dice really fast. It's a popular kitchen myth that 3 bomb peppers are better for cooking and 4 bomb ones are sweeter for salads. This is how I quickly dice a bell pepper. Sauté the onions in hot oil until they are soft and translucent. Add 250 grams of ground beef, then season with thyme, cumin, black pepper, dried herbs, and salt. Sauté it all together. Add the bell peppers and give it a quick sauté. And don't forget the corn, it adds such a great texture. Finish it off with a few spoonfuls of BBQ sauce. It makes everything so much better. I'm keeping it simple with the store-bought pastry dough. A spoonful of filling and some shredded mozzarella went in. I fold it over and seal the edges with a fork. Now it's time to make that dipping sauce on the side. I'm using 3 halved tomatoes, a red bell pepper, garlic, olive oil, salt, and oregano. Then roast everything in the oven. While that roasts, let's go ahead and fry our pastries. Fry them in hot oil with enough oil to cover the bottom completely. This helps them absorb less oil. Watch them closely, they burn fast. Keep the heat medium and turn them quickly. Once the vegetables are roasted, transfer them to a covered container or cover them tightly so they steam and the skin comes off easily. For the sauce, add everything to a blender plus 1 small raw red onion, 1 raw garlic clove, salt, black pepper, and lemon juice, and blend until smooth. And that's it! Crispy golden pastries with that fresh homemade sauce. Hope you try this one out. Let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!